So today we're gonna be doing the Five Nights at Freddy's book with Freddy Fazbear, Bonnie the Bunny, Chica the Kitchen. Okay, so we're gonna go and choose something random from the Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook.
Five Nights at Freddy's cookbook.
I'm gonna trust Joey to do it. We're gonna be choosing one drink and one food option at random, but we're gonna be choosing the food option first from this page right here.
Here we got our scrumptious looking recipe. That looks delicious. Here's the stuff we need to get from the store, and it's gonna be delicious.
We're gonna transition to picking a drink now. We got 1, 2, we got 3, and then we got 4, and then we have 5. So right here, we got a random number generator. So let's see what we get. We got 5. So I guess we're just gonna do this melon meltdown. This looks pretty good. You got Monty in the back, and then here are the ingredients. So we're gonna go to the store and do that.
Okay, guys. So we only have 2 microphones. So basically, me and Joey are gonna get a microphone, and then Bree doesn't get one because Bree doesn't deserve one. So oh no! Bree has a microphone now.
Hey guys, we're at the store now, so we're gonna go get some ingredients for the Five Nights at Freddy's food. Nom nom nom.
Five Nights at Freddy's.
Five Nights at Freddy's. Okay, gang. So we have the material.
Everything else is at the house.
We're gonna check out. Don't look at that. So
I dropped the butter.
we're checking out.
Yeah.
Don't say I never did anything for you, Mr. Cook.
You know, Einstein said time was relative.
So did I. I'm actually Einstein.
We all got 1 cup of chicken. It's so good.
Guys, get us look at this.
Into it.
That was totally real. We're using our bad piece of butter.
We're gonna, the kicked butter that was dropped. Why are we using the kicked part?
You just kicked
Because I absolutely body slammed that sucker.
Butter. Butter.
Could you, Joey?
Look how aesthetic this is though. Like, this is about to be so aesthetic though. Bro, this is like the bear.
Joey, stop! You're breathing too hard.
No. That was hype.
That was hype.
That was.
I think that's.
Father.
Me looking up to the stars.
Have some more, sir.
I don't think.
Granny is dead. I killed her. She's in the cellar.
Nom nom nom.
Bear shots. We bear bears. We bear bears. That's a good show.
It is.
Haven't watched it in a while though.
2 out of 10. I'm just kidding. You want a little piece of pancake? Here you go.
Want to do the screensaver roulette? Who is it gonna be? Wait, let me clear my stuff.
Guys, we should probably be showing the cooking more.
It's Spider-Man. Let's go. None of my friends. Oh, here we go.
Spider-Man's your best friend.
You see?
Who is it? Is it me? So we made Scott Cawthon's blueberry pancakes, also known as moondrops, and we got Cinnabon syrup, not sponsored. And we're gonna go ahead and try these. So whoever would like that one.
I guess I'll take the very whipped.
See the blueberry.
I want to get a blueberry. Should we take the bite at the same time?
The bite of 80. We can call this.
Yeah, the bite. I was gonna say that.
You want some syrup?
I'm about to take the bite of 87.
One little drizzle on yours, Joe.
Yeah.
All right, gang.
All right, Faz gang.
One step for Freddy's, another step for Gregory Guy.
3, 2,
Cheers,
1.
gang. Go ahead and try that afterwards.
I got really scared there was milk still on there.
Are you a smart fella or a fart smeller?
I smell fart.
How do we do this? Am I a dealer of the
I
smart-
can't. We have to move the camera because I can only. Oh wait, never mind.
Yeah, what are you talking about?
All potatoes.
Oh, Kurt! Sorry.
Oh,
You ready?
Okay, so they got back from the store with their stuff. This is a quick side note while Bree goes ahead and prepares the drink all by herself.
Oh,
honey.
honey. It's the big. Wait, I got it. Perfect. Oh yeah, or salt.
I don't think we should.
Why not?
Because then it's like alcoholic.
Yeah.
Is it? How is it alcoholic?
It's
It
gonna
looks
look
alcoholic.
alcoholic.
Maybe it is.
This is not working very good on the rim.
Maybe it's like a Shirley Temple. It's like non-alcoholic drink.
I mean, yeah.
Shirley Temples aren't rimmed though.
Yeah, they are.
No, they're not.
Shirley Temples aren't real.
Rimmed.
Aren't real.
That green is like throwing me off.
Doesn't throw me off. You guys never had mint leaves in a drink?
No.
Can never get rid of them completely. They don't just disappear.
Well, that's not what that picture is showing.
I'll just not keep my lunch. No mas, no mas.
Delicious. If you try this recipe, we recommend straining it.
Wait, let me take the drink.
Throw it.
Where are you going? You're running away.
Hey,
Put the camera and ran away.
hey. Hey. Hey.
That's briskly
Hey.
walking.
On the count of three, ready?
Should we do that shot from Gatsby where he's like this?
No.